plastic bottle, 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet, water, a dropper or funnel, vegetable oil, and food coloring. Here are supplies. First, you're going to pour water into the plastic bottle until it is a quarter full. Then you're going to pour vegetable oil in until the bottle is halfway to 3/4 full and wait until they're separated. Then add 6 drops of food coloring of your choice to the bottle. Cut the Alka-Seltzer tablet into small pieces and drop one of the pieces into the bottle. Then, watch as the mixture begins to bubble. Once the mixture is done fizzing, tightly screw on the lid and tilt the bottle back and forth. Now you have a cool lava lamp. Enjoy!